Did you know Amazon KDP actually gives you free cover templates based on your exact trim size and page count? A lot of people miss this, but it's super useful if you're designing your own paperback or hardcover. Let me show you where to find it. Just go to kdp.amazon.com and sign in. Click Help in the top right corner, and on the left-hand menu, open Tools and Resources. Then click the link that says Cover Calculator and Template Generator. Or you can just copy the link you see on screen. You can pause the video if you need to. Now enter your book details like the trim size, paper color, and page count. After that, you can download your PDF and PNG templates along with an image preview of your full cover layout. But if you would rather skip the manual setup, BookBolt handles all of this for you. Just pick your trim size and page count, and it instantly creates the right canvas with spine, bleed, and margins already set. It's actually why I love using it. It's not just for covers, it's for interiors too. Check it out using the link in the description.